Bananas almost ready. We had a couple this morning and they're just a little bit bitter. But maybe 1 to 2 more days and our lantundan bananas will be perfect for breakfast. Anyway, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. This is Saturday. I believe it is November 28th. I think it is. Anyway, we are on construction build day. What day are we on? Let's see, 45, 56, 57. I think we're on building day 48. Yes, building day 48 on the construction schedule of the pool in the backyard of Villa Feliz. This is a special day for us. Not only is there some exciting stuff that's going to be happening with the swimming pool today, but also it is our day to celebrate Thanksgiving. We put off celebrating Thanksgiving until the weekend, not on the traditional day of Thursday like you normally do in the United States, but we are doing it today. And hopefully we have enough feast for everyone around here on the build site. So that's what's happening today. And we'll get into what's happening today in just a moment. So let's get today's episode started. Now without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, as I said, today is going to be a very interesting day, both for the pool build and for Ness and I to celebrate our little Thanksgiving here at Villa Feliz. So what we're going to be working on today that I'm aware of, it seems to me, since they're starting to put some additional layers of mortar mix on the coping area, I think we're going to be doing pebble rock today. And I think it must all be done in one day because it has to be to the point where if it's not done and you have a separation point and you're allowed to cure it, you'll get cracks. So I think that's going to be done today along with other things. It's an exciting day. Let's kind of watch what these guys are doing and follow along with the construction. Now you're going to notice a couple of different things here while we're getting started today. I went ahead and pulled out the umbrella that I purchased for the swimming pool. It's kind of turned into a clothes hanging pole right now, but eventually this round umbrella, as opposed to the rectangular umbrellas that I stuck up on the porch back there, I think this is going to be what we're going to use for this area. Now I also ordered a couple of chairs, but I'm not sure when they're going to be in. I don't know if they'll be in December or January. But anyway, tell me what you think about this round umbrella as opposed to the rectangular one that we had here earlier in the build. Now you also can see we pulled the cover off of our wood bridge build made out of concrete. I want you to see the design. This is the design. So this is the result of some really crafty and skillful individuals, which is our build team, primarily from our foreman who does most of the design on here. Makes a little like the bolts and things. So this is the unfinished product right here, but it certainly does look like wood planks. Now I know today is going to be a wonderful day. It just started out so nice this morning, and I will tell you, one of the things that tipped us off that it's going to be a beautiful day here at Villa Feliz is that we woke up this morning to this beautiful rainbow, just over the west horizon over here, and it was like a sign. It's a sign that today is going to be a great day. Okay, so now I missed them mixing the pebble rock and cement mix. I was down in the basement putting up a Christmas tree. I'll show you that a little bit later on because we're going to decorate it later on. But I want you to see how nice and thick the coping is right here. And this is the coping that has the pebble rock. Now, they will come back later with a sponge and they will wipe off the cement that's on the outside, so it won't look all gray like all cement. And then it will expose the pebble rock, the tan colored pebble rock that we picked for our coping.
Tapos ka na ka.
So now I understand why the other day they put in the Aral stone here and they didn't continue doing the sidewalk. I thought they were starting at the very beginning and going to complete the sidewalk installation. What they were doing actually was putting in the border in preparation for the pebble rock that they're installing today.
That's Filipino food.
Filipino food.
Yeah.
I see lemongrass.
Yeah. Last na lang yan na fresh. Ibabalikan mo kaya na pawing mo.
Well, we are getting ready to start our belated Thanksgiving dinner. And I know I didn't allude to it earlier, but we actually have a few family members over. But we are doing our best to be social distance, or when we're not social distance apart from each other, we're doing the appropriate thing by wearing our appropriate mask. But anyway, this is my family here in the Philippines. And this is our spread that we have right now. And this is the turkey Ness worked so hard on this morning. And I would say Ness made all of this, but she earned but she earned the living. Ness earned the living to be able to provide this for all of us right here. So from us here in the Philippines to all of you around the world, for the holiday seasons, we all want to wish you a Happy Thanksgiving and holiday.
Okay, so
So we are at a very important critical moment here, and this is the wiping down of the excess cement mix away from the pebble rock, which will give us our final finished look. Let's take a look and see what the guys are doing.
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan,
If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you're interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.